guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a bit of a different video. I'm going to do my first collab. So obviously we're in self-isolation, so I can't see anybody at the moment, but I had a message from a girl on Instagram a few weeks ago, and we were just chatting about makeup and stuff, and it ended up that we lived in the same area. So we wanted to do a collab. Obviously we can't see each other at the moment, so we're going to do one when self-isolation is obviously over. But for now, she's just going to control my makeup. We've been texting, we've sent each other what makeup we've got, and she's picked all my makeup, how I have my hair today. She's called Megan, and her link is down in the description below for her YouTube, Instagram, social media. So definitely go check her video out because she's going to be doing the same. I've also picked her makeup. So if you want to see how my look turns out and what she's picked for me, then carry on watching. So first of all, she told me how to do my hair. So she said, have a pink scrunchie in a high curly ponytail with bits coming down at the front, which is exactly what I've done. I've got my pink scrunchie in, and I've got a curly with bits down the front. I actually really like it. I never wear my hair like this. I've actually never wore it like this, to be honest. I never really wear it up that often. But I'm kind of liking it, not bad. So I thought this was also good because it kind of puts you out of your comfort zone. Obviously I always wear my hair down straight basically, sometimes curly but not very often because I can never be bothered. So it's kind of nice to be able to be put out of your comfort zone and have someone else pick everything, so you haven't really got a choice. Also I'm going to be hopefully trying some new makeup in this video that I haven't used before, so that'd be nice. First step is primer, and for primer she's picked the Pixie Glow Mist, which I always use anyway because I love it. So it's this one here. So I always shake it first because it's got a lot of oils in it. And just spray my face. The next thing is foundation. So she's picked the Milani foundation, which I never ever wear, with iconic London highlight drops mixed in with it. I've never also mixed my highlighter with my foundation, so I don't know how this is going to go, but I'll give it a go. So this is the Milani one I have. I don't know if it's too light for me. If it is, I have these Body Shop drops here, which is a dark one and a light one to either lighten the foundation or darken it. So I don't know if this might be a bit too light for me, but I'll have a look. See, it's quite... But then I am really pale, so I don't know what I'm talking about. I've got the foundation here, and then I'm going to get the iconic London drop, and then I'm going to mix it around. Just use a flat brush just to mix it all together. No, it's way too dark. Well, it's not dark, it's like a grey. We're going to make it work. I'm going to put it on, and then we'll deal with it with concealer. Hopefully she's picked a good concealer that I can use to cover this up. It's literally grey. What? Okay. Put some on my neck. And then I'm going to use a In the Buff Beauty Bay brush just to brush it all in. I think it's starting to look okay now I'm blending it in. I'm not really sure. I don't know. Why do I not know? I remember the consistency of this foundation being really like quite thick, but I never use it. I think it's because it's too light that I never use it, but it is a really nice foundation, and it's very good coverage, as you can see. I have put a lot on, to be honest, but it is very good coverage. And I love a good coverage foundation. So that's the foundation. It's turned out not too bad. It could have been a lot worse. So next is concealer. So she's picked the Revolution one, which I love. I've got two of them. Pretty sure they both almost run out, but... This might just lighten it up a bit, although it probably won't because there's barely any product left. I could just check my other one. Let me check the other one. This one's got a little bit more product in. There we go. I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it in. I always get the hiccups, it's so annoying. I literally get it about 3 times a day, but not like full-on hiccups. I just get one random hiccup, or maybe like 2 or 3 at a time, but people in work hate it. Because you've got to explain yourself every time and people are like, what is that? Because it doesn't even sound like a hiccup, it just sounds like I'm screaming. Okay, so next, let me have a look. Concealer Contour, the Larizzi Cosmetics. So I've got this. I've actually got 3, I don't have a clue how, I've never bought one, so I don't know where they've come from. But I'm just going to contour my face. Don't need too much because it's very dark. What has happened there? Put a bit on my nose and here. And then I'm just going to use this like smaller buffing brush just to blend it in. This is from Beauty UK. I do like this contour because it's like it's a nice cream contour and it looks really dark when you put it on, but it's actually not too dark. Once you've blended it out, it just blends nicely into your skin. Just blending that right out. So next is powder, and she's picked Fenty powder, so that's what I usually use anyway, in the shade Banana. And I'm just going to use this Make Me Blush brush, even though it's not for blush, but and just pack it under my eyes. And just lightly blending it all over my face. So far it's not been too bad. I know she said she's going to make it a bit harder for me, so I don't know what's to come yet. Next is bronzer. So she picked bronzer. I wasn't even going to involve it because I've never used it and I don't really want to, but she's picked it, so let me find it. And the El Safari bronzer. I've never used it before. It's like this leopard print one, but she picked it because this is their initials, Megan Lamb. And I'm going to use this one, which is Glow Up from Beauty Bay. Just going to pop it where I've popped the contour basically. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, that's actually not too bad. Just pop some on my head. It's like not too dark, but it's not too light, and it looks a little bit glowy. Although this has not been very well blended by me. I underestimated how pigmented it will be, and now it's kind of built up here, but hopefully I can cover that with blush. I don't know what blush she's picked. Let me have a look, because that will be next. Accessorize, I like that one. So she's picked the Accessorize blush, which is this one, because I like it because it's really glowy. So I'm going to use this blush brush by, I think it's 17, I'm not sure. And just pop it on the apples of my cheeks and just raise it up a little bit, just so it blends in with the contour and the bronzer. And again on this side. And just pop some in the middle of my nose. So now we're looking very contoured. The next one is highlighter, and she has picked the Jeffree Star and Manny MUA. This one's very old. Jeffree Star and Manny MUA Eclipse. This was like their collab. And it's like this pinky highlighter shade, which is really nice. Pop that on my cheeks. On my nose, on the bridge of my nose, just above my eyebrows and on my chin. And I'll pop some on my Cupid's bow as well. And then later on I might put some on the inner corner as well, depending on what my eye look is. So for brows, she's just picked the Benefit Give Me Brow and no pomade or anything. So I'm just going to brush them through. I'm not going to fill them out today. I don't know if that's going to look weird with a full makeup look, depending, I don't even know what makeup look I need to do yet, but I haven't used this in ages. It's actually really nice. It makes your brows so much fuller and like darker. The only problem with me putting brow gel in my brows and no pomade is that my brows are uneven, so it really makes it stand out when I don't fill them in, because this one is like so much thinner than that one. There we go. So let's see what we've got to do for eyes. So eyeshadow, Jeffree Star Beauty Killer, smoky eye with bright pink under eye. Probably should have done my eyes first then, but no problem. So here's the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette. So these are the shades. So I'm probably going to use Vanity to make a smoky eye, and then probably China White on top just to blend it in, and then the Star Powder on the lash line. So what should we do? So I'm going to go in with this brush. This is from 511. It's just a fluffy brush, and go in with the shade Vanity. And I'm just going to do it on the outer corner first, and kind of in the crease, just to blend it all out. And for this I'm definitely going to have a clean brush to blend it all in together, because you know darker colours are much harder to blend. So I'm going to use this one. I think this is from 511 as well, and just use that to blend the outside in. Just blending it out a little bit so that it's not blocky. It's very hard to blend darker shades, I think. But I'm just building it up slowly, because if you just pack it on then you don't know how much you actually need. And also, if you've done your foundation first, you don't want any fallout, so if you pack it on, you know, you could get black fallout, and it's so hard to get off once you get that on your foundation. So then I'm going to go in with the clean brush that I've been using. I'm going to go in with China White and just put that on the lid. Just blend it out. I'm just going to use that China White on the top a little bit as well, just to blend that out so it's not like a dark line. I'm going to do the same on the other eye, and then I shall be back. So now that I've done the smoky eye, I need to do the lower lash line, which is that star pink, so it's so bright. I'm just going to pop a little bit on. So we've got the Pixie eyeliner. So this is an eye pen. Oh, needs sharpening. And then I'm going to do it very gently on my eye. I hate doing eyeliner there, so I'm going to just basically do it like that, because it's very hard to get it even when it's like a pencil like that, and I have mine very thin because I have hooded eyes. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to get this thin brush. This one is a lip brush, but it's Get Lippy by Beauty Bay, and I'm just going to blend that out, because if you blend out the a pencil liner, it makes it really smoky. I'm just going to do this one as well. I'll just pull out my eyelid. I know that's probably not good for your eyes, but just pull it out and do this. It's not like I do it every day, so I don't really find this too much of an issue. And then if you need to, just add some more as and where you think you need it. Now I've done this one too much, so now I'm going to have to put more on this one. Mascara is Kiko. This one. I actually love this mascara. And I lost it for a long time. I don't know how, but I did. And I was gutted, but it's only a mini one, but it's so good. Next, we've got lashes, unicorn lashes. So these ones, these are unicorn flutter. I feel like lashes always give the look like, they always make a look better, if that makes sense. So that's one on. Just pop this other one on. I think my boyfriend's downstairs making me breakfast. So that's the lashes on. So the last step is lipstick, and she's picked the Huda Beauty lipstick. This one is in the shade Girlfriend, so I'm just going to pack that on my lips. She hasn't picked a lip liner, so I'm just going to use the lipstick. And that's the final step. So this is the full look that Megan picked. I actually really like it, it's so different for me. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment and subscribe, and press the bell for notifications for when I film videos in the future. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said, I've linked Megan's details down below, so go and check her video out and see what I picked for her, and I shall see you in my next one.